Children, now you are going to tell the position of the box. Where is the box? Where is the box? If you say, the box is on the desk, excellent. The box is on the desk. The box is on the desk. Look at picture number 2. Where is the box? Where is the box? If you say, the box is near the chair, great job. The box is near the chair. The box is near the chair. Look at picture number 3. Where is the box? Where is the box? If you say, the box is under the table, wonderful. The box is under the table. The box is under the table. Look at picture number 4. Where is the box? Where is the box? If you say, the box is in the basket, perfect. The box is in the basket. The box is in the basket. Boys and girls, now we are going to do an exercise. You are going to fill the gaps with the words on, in, near, or under. Please do the exercise with your partner or any family members nearby. Look at picture number 1. The pen is blank the table. The pen is blank the table. If you say on, you are right. The pen is on the table. The pen is on the table. Look at picture number 2. The bag is blank the bench. The bag is blank the bench. Did you say under? That's great. The bag is under the bench. The bag is under the bench. Look at picture number 3. The chair is blank the door. The chair is blank the door. If you say near, wonderful. The chair is near the door. The chair is near the door. Look at picture number 4. The exercise books are blank the bag. The exercise books are blank the bag. Did you say in? Marvelous. The exercise books are in the bag. The exercise books are in the bag. Alright students, that's all we have for today. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.